Click the plus button on the top left. Here is the block and component library. Drag or click modules onto the canvas to quickly build your site structure. For example, double-click to edit text, or select an image and replace it from the right-hand panel. Of course, you can also start from scratch. First, add a frame container. Click the frame icon or press F. Draw it on the canvas and add a background image. Next, add text. Click the text tool or press T. Type your content. Then adjust font size and color. Insert a button component and drop it inside the frame. Select the frame, enable auto layout so text and button align perfectly in the center. Finally, drag the section into the desktop breakpoint. Adjust the width and set it to fill. Click the preview button to check the result. Want to go even faster? Use Figma to Creght to turn a Figma design into a live web page in one click. For the full Figma to Creght tutorial, please visit our official website, or let AI generate a full website from a single prompt, instant and effortless. Enter your requirements and style. Click the confirm button and the page will render instantly. Try Creght today and start building smarter, faster.